Welcome to the Crypto Trading Complete course, where you'll embark on a journey to become a cryptocurrency trading expert. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll explore the fascinating world of finance and its intersection with cryptocurrency trading. First, we'll delve into the basics of finance, understanding its principles and how it forms the backbone of economic and investment strategies. We'll then transition into the realm of cryptocurrencies, demystifying digital currencies and their unique characteristics. Next, we'll dive into the core of cryptocurrency trading. You'll learn about different types of cryptocurrencies, how to analyze market trends, and the tools and techniques used by successful traders. We'll cover topics such as blockchain technology, crypto wallets, and security measures to protect your investments. Throughout this course, we'll provide practical tips and strategies, ensuring you have the knowledge and confidence to make informed trading decisions. By the end of this course, you'll have a solid understanding of both finance and cryptocurrency trading, empowering you to navigate the crypto market with expertise.